Hi, this is Mike, and in today's Yoga Nidra practice, we'll journey to a Mountain Meadow Inner Refuge, connecting with stability, security, and connection to the earth. Breathe in the vitality of nature and the crisp, cleansing air. By the end of this practice, you'll feel centered in the present moment, more balanced, and ready to embrace life with renewed energy and confidence. Make sure you are extremely comfortable in your Yoga Nidra nest, perhaps lying on your back, on your side, or even sitting. You might find comfort in positioning yourself on your bed. Consider using extra pillows, blankets, an eye mask, or even aromatherapy to enhance your experience. Feel free to pause this recording if you need more time to adjust. Noticing yourself lying on the surface, take a moment to make any adjustments to your head, shoulders, arms, hips, or legs, so you feel truly at ease. Finding comfort is like solving a personal puzzle. Each piece fits uniquely for everyone. And remember, throughout this meditation, if you need to adjust your setup to make yourself feel more comfortable, please do so. Noticing your body resting on the surface. Noticing your body breathing itself, just like it would when you are sleeping. Noticing the natural flow of energy, prana, the breath. Letting the breath come to you, waiting for it to arrive. And just like the ocean waves have a natural rhythm, our breath has a rhythm. And let's be a witness to this already existing rhythm right now. Could you notice any parts in your body that you could soften? And this practice can be deeply relaxing. And while it is normal to fall asleep, I encourage you to remain awake throughout the session. And don't worry if you do fall asleep. You might just need that. Bring a special attention to your ears, not only hearing, but intimately listening to all the different sounds present around you. Allowing your attention to move from sound to sound to sound. And just like we let that breath come to us earlier, let's let these sounds come to us and fade away. Let's bring your attention now to that infinite space behind the closed eyes. Noticing the interplay between light and dark. Noticing any patterns, shapes, colors. And visualize a vast expanse of a mountain meadow, rolling hills, colorful wildflowers, and a clear blue sky overhead, inviting you to feel a sense of spaciousness and freedom. Your body begins to soften, grip releasing. You notice the air here. It's special. You're noticing any aromas, perhaps wildflowers, rocks, trees, water. You begin to breathe in this mountain air. Nothing else to do but to breathe in this prana from one of the purest places on earth. As you gaze into the distance, a weathered door stands before you. You notice its unique color, intriguing markings, and texture, beckoning you closer. Upon closer inspection, you notice the word freedom etched into its surface, perhaps symbolizing liberation from overthinking, overdoing, constantly being on. With a surge of curiosity, you step forward, compelled to open the door and explore what lies beyond. With each step, you shed the weight of worry and fear, embracing opportunity for transformation and healing. As the door swings open, envision yourself stepping into your inner refuge, an inner sanctuary of profound peace, comfort, and freedom. Engage your senses fully, taking in the vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and soothing aromas around you. Letting your awareness now drift gently into the space of the heart. Now imagine your breath flowing in and out of your heart or chest area, breathing a little slower and deeper than usual. Find an easy rhythm that feels comfortable to you. I am safe, supported, and deeply rooted to the strength of the earth. As you continue heart-focused breathing, start to think about one thing that you are grateful for in your life right now. Noticing your body lying on the surface, noticing the space between your toes, the connection of your heels and the surface, the calves and the surface, back of the thighs and the surface, back of the hips, the spine, shoulder blades, back of the neck, crown of the head, the eyes, the cheeks, the mouth, the nose, as you connect to your natural breath cycle, noticing the air entering the right nostril, noticing the air entering the left nostril, and as you inhale, noticing both nostrils at the same time. As you inhale, perhaps noticing a coolness around the nose, the tip of the nose. And we will begin a physiological sigh to close this practice. We will inhale 2 times through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth with a sigh of ha. Doing this together now. Everybody exhale. Double inhale. Again, double inhale. And again, if you could think of one thing that you're grateful for right now, what would it be? Honoring the creative spirit in each and every one of us. Namaste. Thank you for listening to this Yoga Nidra practice by Mike Bunker. I am located in Canada. I really appreciate you following my channel, sharing and commenting, as it helps me to build my channel. I have many Yoga Nidra practices here on YouTube, and I encourage you to listen and share. Thank you so much. Namaste.